In the Russian furniture hardware market, Hedich is a well-established reference brand. Its products are widely used and recognized for consistent quality. At the same time, many distributors and manufacturers are evaluating how to balance performance stability, long-term supply, and cost structure under current market conditions. Cobb Hardware works primarily as a manufacturing-oriented partner with more than 40 years of production experience. Our background includes OEM manufacturing under international brand standards, including projects aligned with Hedich specifications. This is the D8 hinge system. Its structural layout and plastic damping components follow the same mechanical logic used in well-known European hinge systems. The titanium finished version has passed a 96-hour water immersion test. This test focuses on surface stability and damping consistency under prolonged exposure. During repeated opening and closing cycles, the damping response remains controlled and predictable. This behavior is typically required in mid to high-grade cabinet applications. This is the concealed drawer slide, Model 663BLHD. Its design focuses on linear movement stability, quiet operation, and long-term load performance. The product has been presented at several exhibitions in Germany, where technical feedback was collected from partners in different markets. For partners who prefer to evaluate products through structure, data, and application scenarios, we are open to technical discussions, sample reviews, and video-based showroom walkthroughs. Cobb Hardware, manufacturing-based solutions, evaluated by facts.